Some simultaneous equations involving logs. So what I'm going to try and do is get rid of the logs from each one. Start with the second one actually. This is a little bit simpler. So when you have a log, it's going to be the base to the power of this one on the right that equals the rest of it. And 10 to the 0 is 1. So I can go straight there and write y plus 3 minus 3x equals 1. Um, I'll just leave it like that for the moment. You could alternatively raise both sides to the power of 10, and these two would cancel, and then we'd get the same thing. Let's take a look at the second one. So here I'm going to combine the logs. It'll be log 2 times y minus 1 equals log of x squared. And now I've got logs on both sides. I can just get rid of them. Equivalently, you could just raise both to the power of 10 and they cancel out, which means I've got 2y minus 2 equals x squared. So we've got ourselves simultaneous equations, but now without logs. Now we're asked the values of y, so it might be tempting to sub in for x, make y the subject and, sorry, make x the subject rather, and sub in for y, but I'm going to have to square this. So when I did it, I just thought, you know what, I'm going to sub in for y, find the values of x, and then find the values of y from that. So y is going to equal 3x minus 2, and now I can sub that in here, which will give me 6x minus 4 minus 2 equals x squared, and hence x squared minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. This isn't going to factorize. I mean, they're going to have to both be negatives. Minus 1 minus 6 doesn't work, nor does minus 2 minus 3. So let's complete the square. X minus 3 squared minus 9 plus 6 equals 0. So this will then equal 3. So x minus 3 will equal plus or minus root 3. So x will equal 3 plus or minus root 3. And don't forget, y is then 3x minus 2. So if x is equal to 3, I decided to do it separately, 3 plus root 3, then y will equal 9 plus 3 root 3 minus 2. So that's 7 plus 3 root 3. Or if x is 3 minus root 3, I'll get y is equal to 9 minus 3 root 3 minus 2. I'll get 7 minus 3 root 3. We can see the answers there. See, it's not like any eliminated. Really, we should just check that we don't get any negatives. Um, this is absolutely fine. X is greater than 0 in all cases. And this ends, yeah, there's no problem with this. So they're all valid. The answer is going to be C.